In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a page within a Google Doc efficiently and effectively. This can be particularly handy when you're rearranging parts of a document to improve its flow or structure. First, you'll want to identify the page you wish to move within your document. For instance, let's say you want to take page 5 and place it between pages 2 and 3. Scroll through your Google Doc until you come across that specific page you want to relocate. Next, let's select all the content on that page you're planning to move. You'll begin by clicking and holding your mouse at the bottom of the page. Then drag upwards to highlight everything, from text to images and other content. If you're using a trackpad, you can achieve the same result by clicking and holding with one finger, then dragging with another to select all the necessary elements on the page. Once you've highlighted all the content, it's time to cut it out. You can do this by right-clicking on the selection and choosing Cut from the menu. However, I recommend using a keyboard shortcut for a more streamlined approach. If you're on a Windows computer or Chromebook, hold the Ctrl key and press X. For Mac users, hold the Command key and press X. Don't worry when the content disappears from the page. This is exactly what should happen. You may notice some gaps left behind, and you can easily remove them by pressing the Delete key to tidy things up. Now, navigate to the location where you want to insert the page. In our example, this would be right between page 2 and page 3. To create a space for this new page, click in the top left corner of the page that will sit below your newly inserted content. You want the cursor at the very beginning to ensure precision. To insert a page break, we'll turn once again to keyboard shortcuts, which make the process swift and easy. On Windows or Chromebook, hold Ctrl and press Enter. If you're using a Mac, hold Command and press Return. This action effectively pushes the existing content down, generating a new blank page in the precise spot where you plan to paste your content. You're now ready to paste the content you've cut earlier. Click in the top left corner of this newly created blank page to position your cursor accurately. You can right-click and select Paste, but opt for the faster keyboard shortcut if it suits you better. On Windows or Chromebook, press Ctrl and V, whereas Mac users will hold Command and press V. By doing so, the content will reappear here, successfully relocated to its new home. And there you have it, a simple and orderly process to move a page around in Google Docs, helping you to maintain the document's coherence and structure with ease. Happy editing!